So hey guys, welcome back on VR Hacks. So in this video guys, we are going to talk about the steganography. So what is steganography? If you're not aware about, but many of them are aware, but if the people who are not aware about the steganography, so basically steganography guys is an art of hiding the data, like hiding the yeah, text file inside the image. And in this video, I'm going to show you that only because such questions are also asked in the exams like related to steganography, how to extract the messages inside the text doc inside the images. So many of them get confused like how to do that. So in this video we are going to talk about the steganography, and in this I'm going to show you that how to hide a message inside the image. For an example, like you can see here, this is in a simple image. Okay, this is in simple image. Now I want to hide this data inside the image. So how we can do? So with the help of steganography you can do. So there are many open source tools are available freely on the internet, like OpenSteg or StegHides are also available in the Linux machine. So you can just go and use that tool for free. If you want to send a secret message to your colleagues or your friends, so that nobody can get know what are there inside the image. Okay, so this is not a much like a very rocket science. It is very basics, but still those who are not aware about the steganography, they are going to get aware about with the help of this video. Okay, so and this such questions are also, as I told you, come in the exams also, so you will get an bit ideas like how to solve such questions. Okay, so without wasting time we are going to start, and in the, as I told you, in this video I'm going to use the tool name OpenStego. So OpenStego basically it's a steganography tools which are available on the internet. It's a free source guide, it's a free tools guide, so you can go and just simply download this and you can use. So now there are two options are given: hide data, extract data. So what we are going to do, we are going to first hide the data inside the image, and not only the text document, like in the inside the text document, as you can see, I just simply no write a simple script of Python, print hello world. So you can, apart from this, you can also like type scripts like bash scripts, malwares, anything you want to type, you can just simply type, or you can hide the data inside the image. So if your victim will click, it will get the payload automatically will going to get executes, and the victim machines will going to get infected. So this is just for your educational purpose guys, like how to use the steganography, and you will get an idea about steganography. So what we are going to do, we are going to hide the data inside the image. As the image is this, you can just simply go and download any image from the internet. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just simply first I'm going to select the message file which is on my desktop only. So click on the desktops, we'll wait for a second, and here is our data, and now it's saying in which file you want to hide this, cover this file. Okay, so we are going to select this image which is in my desktop. Okay, so the name is POA XR1, and now again I'm going to what will be the output. So I'm going to again simply simply select that same data one, open. That's it. Now, what you can do apart from this hiding just a message inside the image, you can also use the encryptions algorithms. Okay, so to make it more secure. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take an example of, now nothing. I'm not going to use a password here. Now what we're going to do, just simply click on the hide data. We'll wait for a second. It's processing. That's it, guys. As you can see, message embedded into a one cover file, script 0 files. Our message is hidden inside the image. As you can see, here is our real file, and here the image in which we hided the data. Text print hello world. Okay, so now as you can see this image, and as you can see this image, both image are same, but in one image we hide this data documents inside the image folder. Now what we have to do, like for an example, if you send it this to your friend, and now to use this, your friend needs to like use the steganography. Okay, so your friend needs to use the steganography to read the message inside the image. Okay, so let me wait. We are going to just open the OpenStego file again, and now this time we are going to extract the data. Here we are going to select the same file. Now they are telling us to select the input stego file. So for example, you send this files to your this image to your friend, and he want to read that message. So he need to install, or he or she need to install the OpenStego, and simply he will click the data file, data image file, and the output folder where he wants to, like he wants to extract the message which is inside the image. Okay, so already I created a folder named data. You can just simply click on the right button, new folder, and you can give the any name you want. And now we are going to click on the open button. That's it. We'll click on the extract data. We'll wait for a second, and as you can see, message file successfully extracted on the cover file data.txt. So now we'll check that the data is extracted or not. So I'm just simply click on the data. As you can see, data, and here is our data which name is print hello world. So hope you understand guys how the steganography works and how you can use this technology, or you can say use this tool to hide your secret message inside the image. Apart from that, I told you you can also what you can do, you can also hide, you can also make it encrypted using the password. So hope you understand how to use the steganography tool. It is very easy tool to use. Apart from this, in my next video we are going to talk about the honeypots, ideas, intrusion detection to, systems, how to use this, what is the http host. Apart from everything, we are going to cover one by one. So hope you understand, and in the exam also you are going to solve this question same as I did in this video. So as of now, that's it guys. We'll meet in the another video.